Hi everyone, I'm Stefan from Route 1 Trailers. On this video today, I'm gonna show you all the steps, what you need to know about how you can tow your truck with our tow bar. The first steps, make sure your fifth wheel is greased. Make sure everything is locked correctly. The tow bar needs to be exactly in the middle. If you need to make a correction, you still can move it. Make sure the frame locks are properly all the way in. It's important to be tight, but don't put a lot of torque. Just easy. What kind of chain you can use it? You can use it 370, 3/8, or probably 5/16, wherever you have heavy duty. You can see the hook connect from inside on the frame. Every truck is different. Every frame is different. That's why, depending on your truck, you have to looking for a few major things: secure and safety. Double check and make sure when you tight, you leave the torque free. If it's your chain loose like that, it's fine, no problem, don't worry. Very important, when you connect the hook to the chain, have to connect it that way, not that way. What's the difference between our and another tow bar? Model 10, it's without the cord, it's already with a battery. You can control it only from here. You don't have to connect the power cord to the truck. Very important, when you're towing, you make sure all the weight is over the pin, it's not over the cylinder. How you can make sure that's happening is when you put it down, when all the weight is over the pin, the cylinder is lost. If it's not, you can move it. Make sure the cylinder it's moving. If your truck have the cross member from this side, from outside, you're fine. You don't need to use the metal steel bar. If you don't have this one, you need it because the chain is gonna moving and you have to use the steel bar. Very important, before you connect it, make sure your lights are in or out because you're gonna damage everything. Make sure you put your suspension down. Don't worry if you have to make correction on the level. Have to be on the middle, exactly. Remember, if you have a disc brakes and drum brakes, you have to hook up the chain by different way. I'm gonna show you right now how you can hook up with the disc brakes. Make sure the chain go around the frame between the axle and the leaf spring in the wheels. This is very important to not damage any airline, any cables, any of the ABS sensors. Make sure it's tight and it's around the frame. And again, only because this is with the disc brakes, we need to use another chain to hold the axle on the front. The chain have to be on the same position like the first place, between brakes and the spring lift. When you leave the truck, you have to make sure the first axle gonna be around 1 foot out of the ground. Very important, like chain, you need to leave loose like this one. When you make a turn, you have enough space to turning without problem. That was with the disc brakes. Now I'm gonna show you with the drum brakes.